Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy with Lipton onion soup mix. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix, 2 cups of water or beef broth, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of drippings from your roast, or butter if you don't have drippings. This simple list ensures a flavorful and easy-to-make gravy for any meal. Now let's start mixing. In a medium saucepan, combine the Lipton onion soup mix with the 2 tablespoons of flour or cornstarch. Gradually whisk in the 2 cups of water or beef broth until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. Then, stir in the 2 tablespoons of drippings or butter. This creates a rich, flavorful base before we even start cooking. It's time to cook. Place your saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring constantly. Continue to stir for 1 to 2 minutes as the gravy thickens. You'll notice it becoming rich and glossy. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Remember, it will thicken slightly more as it cools. Your homemade Lipton onion soup gravy is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over roasted chicken, turkey, or mashed potatoes for an extra burst of flavor. This simple recipe delivers a savory, comforting addition to any meal. It's a fantastic way to elevate your dinner with minimal effort. Enjoy every delicious spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.